Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming two prerequisites: Android version and default app. You must set messages as the default SMS/RCS client so configuration options appear. Once done, ensure Google Play services and messages are updated, and you have a reliable Wi-Fi or LTE connection. Flaky networks block RCS registration. Make a quick backup of important messages to Google Drive or export them, because changing settings or clearing data can remove threads. Now proceed to clear cached state to force a fresh. You clear cache and storage for messages and Google Play services, then reboot the phone to remove stale tokens. Next, open Messages, go to Settings Chat Features, and attempt to enable RCS. This forces registration with your carrier or Google. If the status stalls, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, switch between Wi-Fi and LTE, and try again to change the network path for provisioning. Make sure your phone number is correct and that SMS verification codes arrive. They complete the registration process. You finalize by confirming chat features, show connected and testing RCS features, typing indicators, high-quality media, and read receipts. If messages still fails, uninstall app updates to restore the factory messages, then reinstall updates, or sideload the official latest APK, only from trusted sources. If provisioning errors persist, contact your carrier and provide IMEI and account details. Some carriers must enable RCS server-side. As a last resort, reset network settings, and if necessary, factory reset after backing up. That resolves deep configuration conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.